Good morning, everyone. This right here is a Yale. And let me turn that light on again. Can you all see more better? This is a Yale. And this is the key that I made for it here. Last year, I believe. I didn't take these things apart. As you can see, they're not all bent up and twisted. But what I did was I put the key in there and I wiggled it back and forth and just made my own key. But here's the deal. This is a really hard lock to pick. Really hard lock to pick. And I really like it. You know, I really like picking this nasty, hugely nasty Yale lock. There it is. This is one nasty Yale lock. I mean, the bidding on this thing is just horrendous. The first pin, you don't even, if you bump into it, it'll never open. This is one, and it has a bunch of spools in there and a couple of really nice heavily serrated pins. I don't know what's in here, but it's a 5-pin lock. But it's just nasty. It's a very awesome pick. And you know, I tried a 18 thousandths, and you can get an 18 in there, but it's really uncomfortable, you know. So once again, my 13 thousandths paid off. I wish this daggum camera would focus more better. But yeah, that 13 thousandths, boy, that thing did that Yale pretty good. And it's raining outside, so I'm not going to be doing any grinding today, I don't think. Unless the sun comes out, then I'll make that other video on go ahead and grinding this. Anyway, you guys have a safe day, and I hope it's sunny wherever you're at.